Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Volvo C70. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded convertible segment. Volvo made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 5-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of a Volvo are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a power seat, a headlight cleaning system, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.